Hello guys, I was super busy but now I am back. Today I will show you how to deploy Ragnarok MD on Railway absolutely free. All you need is a GitHub account that's at least 4 to 5 months old. So let's get straight into the video. Open your browser and search Ragnarok MD, and now open the first repository, tar it and click on fork and then create fork. After forking the repository, scroll down and click on Get Session ID and click again on Get Session ID. Click on Enter Code and select your country code. And now enter your WhatsApp number and click on Get Code. After doing all these steps, open new tab and search railway.app. Click on Sign In and then continue with GitHub. Our account is now successfully signed in. You can see here I have the trial of the railway app. Now click on New and then GitHub repo. Click on All repositories and save. Click again on GitHub repo. Now select Ragnarok MD. Our bot has started deploying here. Now click on variables and add all these variables according to your settings. After adding all these variables, click on deploy. Our bot has started deploying again. Now wait for it. Our bot has successfully deployed now. Let's check the bot is working or not. You can see our bot is working properly. And you can also add plugins to this bot. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe.